It's that white one there. Because I think that has the hood for the Fairlane on it. Oop, slipping. I guess right here we'll do, because I think some nails. But it's gonna be a wind sound warning, because well, here's the thing. We're gonna grab some parts and everything today, but it says it's 43. Well, it's turned off now, but its wind chill is a little cooler. So I'm going to talk a little loud, so I do apologize if I am loud, but I want to check this 60 Galaxie out, because I need to compare some things. I'm mainly after the hood, because I have the wrong hood on the Fairlane. Yeah, it's a 64 door. It's the exact shot. Is it a Galaxie or? Yeah, but no, this is a Fairlane. This ain't no Galaxie. He said it was a Galaxie. Oh, I hope I don't slip on this. Oh God. Oh, I almost slipped. Oh my gosh, it does, doesn't it? It's got the 500, the Fairlane emblems. There's a lot of good stuff on this.
Yeah, the stuff you're missing is on there.
Yeah. This ain't no Galaxie. This is a Fairlane. It's got stuff. Wait a second. Oh, look.
Yep.
So that's where it is. Because I was
like 500 emblem.
Yeah. I was looking on where that was. So never mind. Is well, son of a gun. How does that come off? Oh, how do they come off? Do they pop off? Well, here's stuff to complete my 62 door.
A lot better hood than what you got.
That's the proper hood that I need. Yeah, because he said that this was a Galaxie, but it's not. Because yeah. So here's a parts car. It's got chrome stuff on it and everything that I need for mine. And of course, I can't use the chrome strips on the side because, you know, 4-door. But I can use the stuff in the front. Definitely the trunk deck. Some chrome here and there. Yeah, it's got those right there. I almost bought some on eBay just recently too. It's a good thing I didn't. There's both sides on this. Yep. Yeah, I almost bought both chrome strips on the side for the Fairlane. But I wonder if the Fairlane 500 emblems are anywhere on the pole. It's not on that side. Maybe it's in the car. Ugh. Okay. Those I'll have to buy off of eBay. And this one is not savable. This was originally suggested for a parts car for the Starliner, but it's the wrong year. But this car, the frame's shot, the bottom's all rotted out. It's about ready to be split in two, from what I remember. And I could get the chrome pieces off of this front bumper.
Might want to check your front too, because these fenders here look pretty good.
Yeah. I mean, spares are spares. Get everything off of it.
For a 60.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because he said that this car, the frame's rotten in two. It's about ready to be popped in the two. Yeah. Well, I'm going to put this down. I'm going to ask him. Okay. So this, I think I actually called it a 46, but I think it's earlier than that.
I'm thinking it's earlier.
Yeah. Oh, there goes a huge fat cottontail. Yeah, because it's sitting on the ground, but it hasn't been sitting on the ground for long. But this is some sort of a Plymouth 5-window coupe. And got a frame for it, which is on the other side. This is going to be interesting to do. Because, this is a special deluxe, as you can see right here. So, you think this might be a 40-41? I'm not sure.
Well, the 46 is got the... I wish it had the chrome in the front. I'd be able to tell.
Yeah, we'll have to find the VIN wherever it's at.
There's that
There's a plate
right there. We'll have to look at the sedan.
Oh, here he comes flying.
The sedan is... The frame on that four-door sedan is actually interchangeable.
Yeah. Yeah, so the frame on that sedan goes to this.
So I asked him one day, I was curious about this, just because it's a coupe. I don't care what it is.
Yeah.
And then he told me the frame's interchangeable with that, and that's actually a rolling chassis.
Yeah.
The deal was, he was going to sell them both to me. And then,
Here, I'm going to put the camera down. I'm going to ask him. Let's get a little bit of a better shot here. Oh, you got turn signals. So we'll have to identify that from there.
I'm not 100% certain.
No, but looking at this and everything, I'll compare stuff from this and that.
To me, the 46, the pictures I saw are totally different. I mean, it could be a 46. I mean, you look at where the ribs are.
It maybe could be. Well,
I don't know.
We'll run stuff just in case, because I actually called this a 46. Tried working on it. Excuse me. I was drinking some coffee earlier and I burped. I apologize. But I was trying to work on this and that early in the year because I did a short. But I ran into bull snakes and 4 rattlesnakes. A lot of bull snakes. There was a bull snake den, and they're pairing up with rattlesnakes. Bull snakes will do that. They'll den up with rattlesnakes. And you know, I got them out and everything, but they eventually came back, and since it's winter now, we're going to be messing with it. It was mainly this one, and the rattlesnakes were both on bottom on each one, but yeah, so since it's still winter, don't have to worry about them. So yeah, there's this one, and the rolling chassis is on this right here. We have to take whatever is off of this, because this is a 4-door, because the frames are interchangeable.
Yeah, the original deal was, when I found out the frames are interchangeable, I could buy them both. Since I really don't want the sedan or anything, whatever's interchangeable from this, that with the front.
Yeah.
And you can keep the sedan.
Yeah, you can keep the 4-door sedan. Because, I don't think the back motors will not work. Looking at that. Man, I wish the wind wasn't blowing. Yeah, this one, back window on this looks a little bigger. I'll have to do some measurements. Have to look at some of the lights right here too. That's a big trunk lid.
Yep. I didn't see it exactly. Either one.
Okay. Yeah, I really kind of, yeah, I have to try to identify this, because again, apologize to call this a 46, but no, I don't, not sure what year this old girl is.
It could be a 46, and the girls the other one.
Oh, okay. Alright, well, let me get a picture of that. Well, they said they're the same year. Yeah. Really kind of different. The front clip crosses over, doesn't it? Okay. Well, okay. Well, we're gonna get over to the Bronco because I gotta check to see what I need to put on that in order to get it to roll. Someone suggested this Oldsmobile Jetstar 88. No, but it is for sale. I'm not grabbing it. It's not a 58 Oldsmobile, but yeah, it's a Jetstar 88. Not sure what year it is. It's a 2-door hardtop. But yeah, I'm not grabbing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down and get over to the Bronco here. Okay, so what do I need on this? Definitely back tire on this side. Okay, so I might need one tire because this one's really chewed up. And this is, okay, so this is XLT. It's XLT. I got tires in the front. Whew. Oh, on my door. Yeah. Whole reason why I'm picking it up because of this right here. Plus it'll be a normal drive around. And plus it's the same year as our father's 84. It's got another Bronco, but it's not an XLT. So I just need to grab one tire for the back. Those should hold air. We'll find out. Yeah. And the engine's all torn up. I think it's an old 302, but don't care. It's gonna get a 351 in it. Man, that wind's really picking up. Yeah, XLT. I think I actually called it an XL once, but no, it's an XLT. I'm not sure on what options that these had, but I'm not sure if I'll keep it this color. We'll find out in time. I might keep it this color because look at the stripe indentation, how it is. That fender's no good. I might be able to fix it. Yeah, of course, typical rot right there. Bumper's gone. So I think the XLT is just the standard bumper, so it's everything else. Yeah, that's no big deal. Just tack weld, pop it out. I know how to fix these. I've done those a couple of times in the past. Two friends of mine in high school had Broncos and they were replacing them down right there. But yeah, okay. At least, yeah, I just need one tire to bring over. Okay. So I need to take some pictures of it because people on Instagram are wanting to see it. Some more of it. So wish I could save that Mercury there. The guy won't sell it. He still wants to turn it into a 4x4. Right here. Says it's not for sale. He's a really nice guy, but yeah, I want to save this because he put this Monterey 2-door hardtop on a 4x4 frame. So yeah, I really want to save this car, but it says it's not for sale, which is too bad. I think it's a 56 like mine. I'm still trying to learn some stuff. I'm pretty sure it is a 56 because the bumper looks the same darn thing. Another Mercury. Kind of looking around a little bit more. past that one Bronco I was talking about, but the back bumper doesn't look very healthy. In fact, it looks kind of bent. Sure, you could fix it, but it's a little too bent for my taste. And it's kind of driving around here. Of course, that's too new. That's like a 90, 89, 90. Kind of like mine.
Yeah, but that one's not an edge car.
No.
I think we looked at that once before.
Yeah, it's really messed up. I remember looking at this Dodge right here too. This one has that the 4-speed in it, but I think the transmission's messed up along with the engine, which is too bad. This big red Dodge would be awesome, but it's messed up the frame in the back and the frame in the front because it got hit and everything, and it really spun out and it really messed up the frame. Because that's a big ol' half ton. Let's see here.
Yeah, there it is.
Here it is. Yeah, this is going to yield some stuff off of it for the Starliner, because the lights will work, some stuff in the back will work, along with the chrome on the bottom over here. It's a 4-door, but yeah, and also along with a lot of the stuff in the back too. I think the trunk lid might work, but I don't know how to get into it because it's all locked up and everything. I think I remember showing this once or twice. It might have been on here or TikTok, but yeah. But yeah, I'll have to take some pictures here and ask them about some of the stuff here. Well, the wind's gone down a little, so we just needed tires on this. Because if you remember, this has a 390. It's already bought. Okay. So these tires in the front. We got a tire on this side. And of course, Mercury Marquee Brougham. 2-door hardtop. Yeah. And I guess these, well, since this is big block 390, doesn't have the engine in it, I guess this moved pretty fast. And I think this was a factory 4-barrel, but I'll have to run the numbers and see. Doesn't matter. But you wanted to put something bigger in this, right?
Yeah, I was thinking more like a Super Cobra Jet 420.
Yeah, because it's an automatic. Because you really don't see these at all anymore. It's got the hideaway headlights, they're just stuck. Or when it was parked, they didn't put them down. I'm not going to pull on it too much, but yeah, see, it's right there. And that one's right there. Oh yeah, both sides are going to go down. And this one's going to go down. Probably that vacuum thing.
They are vacuum.
Yeah, but I mean, the reason why it doesn't want to stay down is probably that vacuum thing going on. It's not enough there to keep it down, I suppose. And I think this Cadillac, or there was another one, might yield some parts off of this for my 46, but I'm not sure just yet. Because that 46 Cadillac is a narrow body. Obviously this Cadillac is way bigger, so I just have to see on what happens, because I'm just mainly after the drivetrain and everything, and the guts and the rear axle. Of course, here's a 65. Not sure what this is. This has been sitting here for years, but I'm not after it. I'm not going to get that Mustang. Someone else is interested in it. into this, but the doors are so, you know, big, they only open so far. So I'm gonna go over to the Gran Torino now, because that's gonna be the last car to grab. And this will be the last car to grab because it does not have no drive terrain. And this used to be owned by our late uncle a long time ago, and I actually remember him driving this. Taking him down memory lane one day, and I was like, yeah, I actually remember him having this, but I don't remember it being painted like that. And I think this had a 302 in it. I can't quite remember, but it was very hot.
It's such a long time.
Yeah, this was in the late 90s when he had this. He passed away in 2003. But yeah, this is a hot, well, it was a hot little Gran Torino. And I'll put a coyote build in it and everything once I get it. I'll repaint it green, but it'll be emerald green and some sort of a dark ebony blue, jet black type of color. You know, it'll be a little dressed up because it'll have the same color scheme, or at least the color as the 70 Cougar once I get to it. But yeah, this thing's dirty. It's been parted out and the stuff's in the back. But yeah, because first I mistook this because my relative that owns the salvage yard, he had another one, a green one, and I mistook this for that. But no, this one, the frame, the unibody and stuff on it and everything's okay. It's just kind of banged up and everything. Too bad it wasn't a fastback, but if it was a fastback, it wouldn't be here, but I don't care, it's a coupe. I'll eventually find a fastback in the future, a Gran Torino Sport fastback, but those are kind of hard to come by themselves. But hey, I mean, a 72 Gran Torino, you really can't go wrong. I never noticed that before. There's a hitch there with a split ball, that's junk. Split ball right there for pulling stuff. Split ball, why they call it like that, because there's a bolt between a round metal piece. They're actually junk. Yeah, that'll get taken off. But yeah, I have to lift this up with the loader, but it'll be the last vehicle to grab. But and you really don't want to grab that 65 Fairlane 500.
We've ever asked him what's 100% wrong with it.
Yeah.
I think he said there's something wrong.
Yeah, because out of everything, that might be the last car. I know we keep saying that, but you know, since we're down to the final 4, technically 5, because we still gotta mess around with the car hauler. But the car hauler, you know, we'll grab that. But this will be the last one for the trailer, possibly, and then that 65 over there, because he's got a 64, which I understand the difference is because of the years at the Fairlane. So I do apologize about getting some stuff mixed up, you know, as you learn this stuff and everything. But we can probably pop over and look at that too. There that might have needed, but no, it's not. It's alrighty. We'll pop over and look at that, because there's also a Galaxie over here, 64, that or a front clip for him. And I'm gonna be saving that Mercury Monterey front clip, that 58, and I'll show that in the future. But yeah, well, enough gabbing. Time to go over and look at it. Yeah, he's gonna be wanting to close soon. So all right, we'll be right back. Well, actually, we're gonna end this video there because he wants to close very shortly. So we gotta grab some other things and then head on out. So I'll look at the other 65 Fairlane another day, but we're gonna ask him about it, because that's a Fairlane 65 Ford Fairlane 500 sports coupe, 2-door hardtop, and it's a 3-speed, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah. but it'll be perfect for like a 4-speed on something. Because where's it sitting at? Yeah, it's sitting right there, right by that black car. So I'll look at that another day here. So we're gonna go ahead and pick some of our other stuff out and get going here. So we appreciate the support that you've shown us all this time, and we'll grab the rest of the cars and the parts and everything. So you all have a good night. Take care and stay safe. See you later.